What is going on, guys? It is December 21st. It is about to be the weekend of Christmas. I'm super excited. We wrapped up the mowing season yesterday with a very, very good cleanup and last final mowing. And, you know, it's just been a great year, man, and I'm super excited. But today we are going to be cleaning basically everything that I own. Both of the trucks are gonna get cleaned. Yes, I said both. As you saw in the thumbnail and the title, I got a brand new truck. Well, not a brand new truck, I got a used truck. But as you guys probably, if you're in the market for trucks, whether it's a, you know, an F-150 or 1500 or 2500, or even bigger than that, you know how scarce trucks have been the last 3 years. And the prices for these trucks have been, to put it nicely, BS. Let's put it that way. So I've been hunting since 2020 to find a new truck. I debated a lot about financing a brand new truck, but the monthly payment was just too much for me to accept truly. I could have afforded it, but it was just too much on me personally to pride-wise say yes to it, paying $1,100, $1,200 a month for a truck that really I don't need. And so for the business, I started to look at used trucks. And like I said, it's been very scarce for the last 2.5 years that I've been looking. 2 weeks ago, I think, to the day, might even be 3, we basically, me and my future wife and my boy Rick, we were all kind of talking about trucks, and I found one. And the funniest part of it is I went to go look at that truck. It wasn't available anymore, but they said, hey, we have this other, you know, truck that's basically the same model, just not a diesel. What do you guys think? You want to check it out? And I said, absolutely, I'll check it out. And it was this truck, and I got it on a great deal. I got a great interest rate. We got, you know, the price that we were looking to spend. And truthfully, I have fallen in love with this thing. It is one of my favorite purchases that I've made in my 20s. Obviously, I'm 30 now, but I still consider myself in my 20s because I'm young at heart. I purchased this, and I'm just, it's gonna grow our business. It's gonna expand our business and what we can provide and what we can do in a day. And that means more money for us as a company, which means more money for the employees, and maybe bring on more employees and continue to grow the crew. So we'll get into more of the truck today, but I wanted to kind of take you through just cleaning everything for the wrap up for the season and putting everything away for the season. And yeah, so let's get into this day. Also, I got a fresh cut this morning. What's good? Shout out to Selvin, my barber at Prestige Barbershop, man, up here in Dublin, PA, bro. I'm telling you, man, they kill it every single time. We got that Viking kind of look to us. Let's keep it going. Let's get to work. Also, I don't know about you guys. I know for us blue collar guys, I know all the construction boys are gonna be like, blue collar, you're a landscaper. Shut the fuck up. We're all blue collar work in the blue collar industries, okay? So get over yourself. We all live on caffeine. Okay, we all live on caffeine. A lot of you boys live on nicotine too. I know that. My boy Rick, he dips, and well, he used to dip. He's on them Zinnies now, but I used to dip as well years and years and years ago. But caffeine-wise, what's your go-to energy drink? For us, we most of the time it's either C4 or Ghost. We've been rocking these Ghosts probably for the last year or two now, and I love them. I think they're so good, and they have zero sugar, and they're just everything that I want out of an energy drink. 200 milligrams of caffeine, that's plenty of, for me at least. I don't know about you crackheads, but let me know what you guys are rocking when it comes to caffeine. Are you guys rocking the new Gatorade Twitches? I do love those too, man. They're much better for the mowers because you can close them, and grass can't be flying into the can. So let me know what you guys are rocking. Same with nicotine, guys. What are you guys doing? You smoking cigs, dipping, shit like that? Let me know. Dude.
It's because it's cold. I hate cold weather. check to see if it's got gas in it.
Could be why. So the truck is a Ram 2500 2016 HEMI 6.4 liter. We were looking at this pretty much the exact same vehicle, only it was a diesel. And so we paid I think 37 in total, 37,000 for this truck. The diesel would have been I think 44 I think they wanted, but the diesel, like I said earlier in the video, was not available when we got the truck. So the truck itself, I love it. I mean, I would have liked black, but again, you can't be too picky. This was, like I said, a 2016, so it was a really good investment because it wasn't a brand new truck. My payments is exactly what I wanted, and I know a lot of people don't really talk about payments. My payments was going to be around 700 for this truck. The new truck would have been around, if I bought this same truck like brand new in 2023, I think it would have been around 58,000, I want to say, maybe even closer to 60 with the mega cab. So we'll go over a few of the features. So it does have the clearance lights up top, as you can see. I love them. Four door. It's a mega cab, so there are the headrests they forgot to put on. It has this little compartment. We just put our jackets and stuff for snow in there. We have our snow hats. So we basically just use that for storage for our jackets. In the summertime, it'll be where the weed whacker string, you know, tools that we need for an everyday mowing. He's having so much trouble with his pressure washer. For everyday mowing, we'll have in there, you know, extra blades and just raincoats, things of that nature will be through for the summer work. But for now, it's going to be where our snow, basically survival kit, will be living. So it's a beautiful truck. It's got a 6-foot bed. So it's not an 8-foot bed, it's not a full-size bed, but it still does the job that we need it to do. It's a big-ass truck, though, dude. This thing is massive. Not great on gas, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's one of the downsides of this truck, is it eats gas like no other. It's way worse than my 2004 1500 Silverado that I have. His name's Hank.
Should have worn my boots.
Look at this idiot. Wearing sneakers.
Boots getting boogie.
Jesus
I had to
Christ.
say something.
Alright, so back to the truck before I was rudely interrupted. It's got towing mirrors, everything that we need. So the inside, but we got a Alpine sound system in here, which is cool. Both heated seats in the front. We got the heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, obviously. You taking a break?
Bro, I just worked my ass off.
Dude, that was like 10 seconds.
Dude.
You're out of breath already? I thought you guys were going to the gym. What the fuck? Anyway, it is a big horn.
Big horn.
Big horn. So usually the Rams, their work trucks are tradesmen's, but this one's a big horn. And they're, what's the other one? Laramie, right? Laramie,
Yeah,
something like that.
Laramie.
Like I was saying, this truck probably brand new.
Lariat.
Okay, no, that's Ford.
Yeah.
This Ram I think is Laramie.
I don't know.
I think. I don't know. But this truck, brand new, when it was bought in 2016, was $58,000. I'm pretty sure. And then I'd say now, if you bought this Bighorn Mega Cab new, you're probably pushing 65. I'd say.
I'd say 75.
You think 75, 60? Yeah. So this truck's gonna last us a long time. Not that Hank won't be still the workhorse, but we're gonna, the nice thing about this truck, you know, you got the extended cab back here too, or the mega cab, which gives us so much more room, and eventually Rachel and I are gonna have kids, so that also helps. But it's a beast of a truck. It's got LED lights in the bed, like I mentioned, the clearance lights. What?
I was right. 2024 Ram 2500 Bighorn. MSRP value is $74,300.
Yeah, so this is a $75,000 truck. If I bought this new, my payment probably would have been pushing $1,200. My payment right now is about $668, I think, you know, not including insurance. But now we have 2 trucks, which allows us to do more. It allows us to make more. It allows us to pick up more business and run either solo projects for you and I, and expand the business in ways that we maybe wouldn't have been able to with just one truck.
Facts.
As we continue this merger with my dad's company, his 2005 stick shift manual transmission, Cummins diesel, 8-foot bed. That is a rare breed of truck right there. That thing eventually, when it's an antique, dude, that thing could easily be $100,000 truck.
2 years till it's an antique, I think.
I don't know how that shit works, but
I think it's 20 years.
the truck is beautiful. Richard, do you like the truck?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Love the heated seats.
Yeah, the heated seats are nice.
And warm.
Heated seats are nice. We got the back window, electronic window, which is nice. All of this is brand new to me. Okay, so Hank, I'm not kidding you, my 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500 didn't even have power locks and windows. So I had to manually roll down my window. So when people say, you know, roll down your windows, that's what they mean. You gotta crank it down. This one, I just push a little button and it fucking goes right down. This is all brand new to me. All brand new to me. So I'm very excited. You know, it's got the bed lining in here. It's great, dude. I'm in love with this truck, man. I'm in love with this truck. So we're gonna get to cleaning it. Maybe get some mower footage if we clean them today, depending on the time. And yeah, so let's get back to it. Merry Christmas, Santa! Merry Christmas! I don't know. What'd you say? Alright guys, so the reason I'm adding this clip in is because my buddy, my coworker Rick, he's actually a firefighter, and he actually got voted to be Santa this year for our community here in PA, and this is like his first year being Santa, so I wanted to just capture that for him and shout out to him, man. He's still out there. He's saying hi to all the kids and stuff, so it's really cool, man. But that'll wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a like if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.